This is registernursern.com, and today we're going to make this video on camp nursing. Camp nurses are very important to the daily function of camps and retreats. It's a wonderful area of nursing. A lot of nurses are happy with this particular field because the setting is a little bit more relaxed and tends to be kind of in a vacation type setting with camps and retreats and so forth. And in this video we're just going to give a brief overview of the job description of a camp nurse, talk about some of the requirements, the salary, and the job outlook. Okay, first of all, what is the description? Well, the role of a camp nurse is to provide expert medical and healthcare services to camp and retreat attendants of all ages, and the settings can range from groups of terminally ill patients to summer camps of girls in the woods and so forth. They must have a broad range of expertise to perform their duties, and they have to help healthy or ill or young or old campers. A camp nurse provides typical medical care that may include anything from burns from a campfire to a broken arm or leg, or just about anything that you can imagine that could happen during a camp setting. Some of the typical duties are: you establish healthcare centers, you orient your staff, you train camp or retreat staff to recognize medical issues, you provide clean first aid supplies, you manage communicable diseases, you create action plans in the event of a contagious outbreak, you dispense medications, you attend minor injuries, communicate with the parents or family members, frequent health checks of all of the staff and also the attendants, ensure the safety of everyone at the camp retreat, accompany the sick to medical appointments or hospitals, keep accurate medical records, participate in camp and retreating events, liaison with medical professionals, and providing specific health needs of campers to staff members. So those are some of the common duties that you'll do as a camp nurse. Okay, what about the job requirements? Well, the minimum requirement is that you're going to have the RN credential, and what that means is that you went and got an ADN or a BSN in nursing, and you've taken the state boards, which is the NCLEX RN test, and you've passed. And when you do that, then you'll be successfully licensed as a registered nurse, and you can work as a camp nurse. Usually, there's not a specific certification for this particular area of nursing, and you would just get your RN, and then they may provide on-the-job training if there is like a camp facility or retreat facility, and they would probably provide on-the-job training for you to get familiar with the specifics on being a camp nurse. So that's generally all you have to do as far as the job requirements. Okay, what about the salary? Well, the salary is not quite as high for camp nurses because it's a little bit more of a relaxed setting. It may not be full-time work. You may just have to kind of, go during certain periods of the year when the camps are more active. And so the typical median salary for camp nurses is around $36,000, and that can vary. And if there was like a really busy retreat, you might be able to make a lot more than that. And you can also supplement your income by doing other nursing tasks during the off season. But about $36,000 is about the median annual salary you can expect. And as far as the job outlook, nursing in general is having a really good job outlook. It's one of the fastest growing of all occupations throughout the next decade. So that's great. And there's a lot of shortages at camps across the country as far as the needs for medical nurses. So there is a demand for camp nurses, and nursing in general is going to be growing. If you're interested in becoming a camp nurse, or if you want to learn about some of the other specialties out there, I'd like to invite you to come to our website. It's registernursern.com. We have a lot of free resources and articles, whether you want to advance your career or whether you're a nursing student or just interested in nursing or whatever. Just stop by our website and check it out. We also have some YouTube videos up, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and check that out. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.